Hello engineers, hello viewers, hello student civil engineering. See this bridge span. As per types of support, see this low roller support in bridge. In many, in many times, they theoretically you are considered a low roller supports, but actual practice how to use this roller supports. They see these roller supports in bridge work. See these supports. There are three supports. This see these gaps also in support. You are actual site condition using how to roller supports in actual practicing. This for helpful video for viewer, our viewers from our channel. Thank you. RCC from India.